We'll try to be quick. These are some of the features, just a few of the features for the Respondo WordPress theme. So as you see here, I have a pre-header and a header. If I wanted to change the pre-header and the header of the theme, it's quite simple. There's thousands and thousands of variables or variations using the theme options. First, I will go to pre-header options. Let's say I wanted to change the position to be scrolling and not fixed, and I wanted it to be plain text content in the pre-header. So then I also come here to the header menu options. Let's change the styling there so that we have the full width menu, and we'll just do right aligned logo just so you can kind of see the difference. And as you see here, immediately we've got our call to action, or just a little message up at the top of the screen. Somebody can close that via cookies and it will stay away. Then we added the change to the header menu where it was located. If I say I don't like that, I want to come back in. Let's put the, I want basic buttons, but I want that menu over on the left. And then I want to change that pre-header back to putting that menu over on the right instead of where I had it, and change it back to fixed. I can do so. All the colors and the pixels down to the very exactness of 1 pixel, the colors, the gradients, the styling, the patterns, all of it can be changed within the theme options, which as a web developer is going to be fantastic. At creating the site on your own as a small business is fantastic, because you're going to know something that's important. There will be very few sites that look the same. There's so many variables. I mean, if we look here, changing this, you also have the XML formats for the standard, which will give you this layout, Lime, which will give you this layout, and Bokeh Pro. What's different about these is the Bokeh Pro is set where it has a fixed pre-header, as you can see here, and Lime has a fixed footer, as you can see here. And finally, the standard is set up where it kind of encompasses the pre-header, the standard stuff that you would see on a lot of typical websites. And then, of course, we've got the demo site that you've probably seen or will see for the general Respondo, how it loads without doing any XML business. So let's look at, for a moment, creating a page. So knowing that the pre-header, the header, thousands and thousands of variables, different options, way to control. All of the stuff that you see here can be modified, edited, changed in a matter of seconds. All the colors, like I said, everything. It really works well. The same thing goes for the footer and the pre-footer. You've got 6 columns down here. Right now I'm using 1/2, quarter, and quarter, but there is the availability of using 6, all with widgets, all completely responsive like the entirety of the site, and then we have the footer at the very bottom. So let's look at one more thing here. Let's create a new page. And in the new page, I'm going to show you lots of shortcodes to use using the Twitter Bootstrap Respondo shortcodes. So it's all based off of the less CSS and the same designs that you see on Twitter Bootstrap. And all of those general shortcodes are available. We've even set something up that's great that not a lot of themes have. If you want to put a column inside of another column, which comes in handy a lot more than you'd think, that is available. All the components, all the base CSS. But what we'll do is there's shortcode sets and there's page layouts. Let's do a page layout and say I wanted to use the home page layout that we see on the demo site. All I do is insert that. All of the dummy content immediately is pasted. It's all HTML ready. Everything will look the way it does on the live site. As you can see here, it's perfect. Everything works. So there's a lot of different page layouts. Absolutely, in the matter of an hour, maybe a few hours, you can have a completely functioning, beautiful website up using the Respondo theme. And that's not even getting into all of the portfolio, the shop, the blog, and all the different customizations you can use using theme options. As you see here, there are a lot. We go through, we make sure we focus on every detail of the website using a clean retina ready, fully responsive 1170 pixel width for a viewable computer like this. Thought of almost every detail, and we hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for taking a look.